Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're delving into the realm of Telegram bots, unlocking the potential to earn money right from your fingertips. Whether you're a trading aficionado, a survey enthusiast, or a freelance guru, there's something for everyone in the world of Telegram bots. So, let's explore the top bots you need to know about in 2024. First up, we have crypto trading bots. Meet Profit Farmers and Bitsgap. Profit Farmers offers trading signals and automated strategies for cryptocurrency markets, guiding users to potentially profitable trades. Bitsgap, on the other hand, provides tools for trading cryptocurrencies across multiple exchanges, including automated trading features. Simply sign up on their websites, connect your exchanges, and let the bots do the rest to potentially earn money through crypto trading. Let's dive deeper into crypto trading bots and explore how Profit Farmers and Bitsgap can revolutionize your cryptocurrency trading experience. Profit Farmers is your go-to platform for cryptocurrency trading signals and automated strategies. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting, Profit Farmers' intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate the volatile crypto markets. By subscribing to Profit Farmers, you gain access to a wealth of trading signals generated by expert analysts, meticulously analyzing market trends and identifying potentially lucrative opportunities. Choose from various subscription plans tailored to your trading preferences, and gain access to real-time signals across a wide range of cryptocurrencies. With high accuracy rates and a proven track record, Profit Farmers empowers users to make informed trading decisions and capitalize on market movements effectively. Once you've subscribed, simply connect your preferred exchange to the platform, and you're ready to go. Receive instant alerts for potential trade setups, including entry points, stop-loss levels, and take-profit targets. With Profit Farmers guiding your trades, you can optimize your trading strategy and potentially maximize your profits in the dynamic world of cryptocurrency. Now, let's talk about Bitsgap, the ultimate solution for multi-exchange cryptocurrency trading. Whether you're juggling multiple accounts or seeking advanced trading features, Bitsgap has you covered. With its comprehensive suite of tools and intuitive interface, Bitsgap streamlines your trading experience across various exchanges, saving you time and effort. From automated trading bots to portfolio management tools, Bitsgap offers a wide array of features to cater to traders of all levels. Take advantage of arbitrage opportunities across different exchanges, optimize your trading strategies with advanced order types, and track your portfolio performance with real-time analytics. With Bitsgap, you can execute trades seamlessly, manage your assets efficiently, and stay ahead of the curve in the fast-paced cryptocurrency market. Simply sign up on the Bitsgap platform, connect your exchange accounts, and unlock a world of possibilities for potential earnings through crypto trading. Next, let's talk about crypto airdrops and faucets. Airdrop Alert and CoinMarketCap Airdrop Bot are your go-to bots for discovering upcoming cryptocurrency airdrops. By joining their Telegram channels or interacting with them directly, you can participate in airdrops and earn free tokens by completing specified tasks set by the projects. It's a simple way to accumulate cryptocurrencies without investing your funds. Explore the latest airdrop listings, discover detailed information about each project, and learn about the tasks required to earn your free tokens. Whether it's joining a Telegram group, following on social media, or completing simple tasks, Airdrop Alert provides clear instructions on how to participate and maximize your earnings. Now, let's explore CoinMarketCap Airdrop Bot, your one-stop destination for discovering airdrops listed on CoinMarketCap. As one of the most trusted sources for cryptocurrency data, CoinMarketCap ensures that you have access to high-quality airdrop opportunities from reputable projects. By interacting with the airdrop bot on Telegram, you can participate in airdrops and earn rewards effortlessly. Moving on to survey and task bots. Cash Robots and Survey Telegram Bot offer paid surveys and tasks right within the Telegram platform. Cash Robots allows users to complete tasks, surveys, and watch advertisements to earn rewards, while Survey Telegram Bot connects users with paid survey opportunities. It's an effortless way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. These are ways you can earn some extra cash with Telegram bots. Stay with us for more secrets, let's dig more. Now, let's delve into the world of survey and task bots with Cash Robots and Survey Telegram Bot. Cash Robots is your gateway to earning rewards by completing tasks, surveys, and watching advertisements, all within the Telegram platform. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash in your spare time or supplement your income, Cash Robots offers a range of opportunities to suit your preferences. Explore a variety of tasks, including surveys, app downloads, and watching ads, each offering different reward amounts. With Cash Robots, you have the flexibility to choose the tasks that interest you and earn rewards at your own pace. Plus, with a user-friendly interface and a transparent reward structure, Cash Robots makes it easy to track your earnings and cash out when you're ready. Simply browse through the task listings, complete the tasks of your choice, and watch your rewards accumulate in real time. Once you've reached the minimum withdrawal threshold, you can cash out your earnings directly to your preferred payment method. It's a convenient and hassle-free way to earn some extra cash right from your Telegram account. Now, let's talk about Survey Telegram Bot, your go-to bot for accessing paid survey opportunities directly within Telegram. With Survey Telegram Bot, you can participate in surveys from reputable providers and earn rewards for sharing your opinions on various topics. Discover surveys from a diverse range of providers, covering topics such as market research, product feedback, and consumer preferences. With Survey Telegram Bot, you can choose from a variety of survey types, including multiple-choice questions, open-ended responses, and more. Plus, with flexible reward redemption options, you can choose to receive your earnings in cryptocurrency or fiat currency. And there you have it. Cash Robots and Survey Telegram Bot offer convenient and accessible ways to earn money through tasks and surveys right from your Telegram account. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash in your spare time or explore new opportunities, these bots have you covered. So why wait? Start earning money today with Cash Robots and Survey Telegram Bot. If you're into Forex and investments, we've got you covered. Forex Signals and Investor Bot provide trading signals and investment recommendations to help users navigate the markets. Forex Signals offers insights and analysis for Forex trading, while Investor Bot provides recommendations for stocks, cryptocurrencies, and other assets. By following their signals, users can potentially earn money by making informed trading decisions. Are you a freelancer looking for opportunities? Look no further than Freelancing and Gig Bots. WorkyBot and Freelance Jobs Bot connect freelancers with clients for various services like writing, design, and programming. Create your profile, browse job opportunities, complete tasks or projects, and earn money on your own terms. It's a flexible way to monetize your skills. Last but not least, we have affiliate marketing bots. Affiliate Marketing Bot and Referral Bot provide tools and resources to help users excel in affiliate marketing. Generate and manage referral links, promote products or services, and earn commissions for successful referrals. It's a passive income stream that can potentially generate revenue over time. And there you have it, folks. The top Telegram bots to help you earn money in 2024. Remember, while these bots offer fantastic opportunities, it's essential to do your due diligence and proceed with caution. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next